Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Infamous LC with LC Tech Reviews. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're going to be popping this 16 gigabyte RAM stick into this PC. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This one is an HP EliteBook, nothing special. It's really just for your casual use. Not really a high performance PC, but this is the PC a lot of people do have. So I'm going to show you guys, if you do want to improve your performance, I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So this one already has a 16 gigabyte in here, but since I had an additional stick, I figured I'll show you guys how to install it. So real quick, we are looking at the back. It's going to be as simple as unscrewing the screws right here. So you see the corners and one in the middle. So we're going to unscrew those, pop the top, and then install the RAM stick. I don't have the typical kit that I don't know where it's at to do this. So right now I just have my little screwdrivers and a plastic fork. Okay. So if you don't have the typical tools, man, it's cool. Don't use a metal one because you might damage the insides. You don't want to do that. Use a plastic one. Okay. Pearly one is a little more dull, but use a plastic one. All right, so let's go ahead and take the back off, and then we'll get back to the video. We have the back open, and as you can see, we already have one RAM stick right here, and we have another open slot right here. You can see that by the DIMM2 designation. So this one will be DIMM1. And so what you want to do once you get the RAM stick open is you want to look for the short side and the long side. So let's do this real quick. So if I flip it around like this is how you know you're putting it in the right way. So all you're going to do is line the grooves up right here on the stick with the grooves inside the PC, okay? So let me see if I can hold the camera and do the same time. So it's going to stick up like this. You see how it's like sticking up in the air once you slide it in. And all you're going to do is gently press down on it, and the sides right here are automatically going to snap in. So you can do this. There we go. And you have successfully put in the RAM stick. So all you need to do is boot it up, and once it does that, it's going to automatically read it. If the RAM stick is compatible, which it should be if it fits, but not in all cases. So I will show you guys the PC booting up and it reading 32 gigs, and then that will be it. So I'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and power this up. So here you go. You see the post error configuration change prompts, and what you see here is memory size error. You see that? That's just fine. All that means is that the system memory size was different from the last startup, which I told you guys was going to happen. All you need to do is just press enter and keep it moving. All right, guys, so I got the computer loaded up. As you can see, we have installed RAM, 32 gigabytes of RAM. So that's how you know everything has installed correctly. So your computer's going to be this computer's going to be super snappy. There's nothing I'm doing on this PC that really requires it to use this much RAM, but it is nice to have. So there you go. If you guys did find this informative, helpful, let me know what you think. Let me know what type of PC you have. What's your RAM size? What do you think is the best? Some say 16, some say you need 32 for like AAA games, things like that. But it's your boy LC. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.